With love and reverence, I offer myself at the divine lotus feet of our loving Lord, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear brothers and sisters, on behalf of the Satya Sai International Organization Canada, I thank Bhagavan for blessing Canada with this wonderful opportunity to be part of these joyous Christmas celebrations. Canadian youth will perform a musical program today. Before the musical program, we want to demonstrate a mini walk for values from the main gate. As they walk, I am pleased to provide a short history of the walk for values. Here comes the walk for values. This walk for values is an instrument of character development in the community to promote and practice the 5 human values, Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, and Ahimsa, that is truth, righteousness, peace, love, and non-violence. This was advocated by Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba throughout her life. In 2003, the Parent Council of the Satya Sai School of Canada hosted the very first walk for values in Toronto. After seeing some violence at a shootout in the neighboring streets, the students of Bhagavan School wanted to raise community awareness in a practical way by walking the street with values placards for the eradication of violence, bullying, drugs, crime, and greed in our neighborhood. We aim to raise our consciousness levels and practice human values. This noble project instantly touched the hearts and minds of many people as a gift from Bhagavan. And next year, it spread to 10 cities across Canada under the umbrella of the Satya Sai International Organization Canada. The Walk for Values has since spread internationally, with one event organized in Puttaparthi a couple of weeks ago. Brothers and sisters, this small sapling grown by the children of the Satya Sai School of Canada has today spread spontaneously to 4 continents around the world: North America, Australia, Asia, and Africa, involving over 40 world cities. It has truly transformed into values without borders. Let us pray to Bhagavan that this Human Values Outreach Project may bring greater transformation in the world, and one day we may be able to declare an International Human Values Day at the United Nations, as the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has achieved International Day of Yoga recently. As Bhagavan has stressed, we should develop these 5 human values which will promote harmony and unity in the world. We should develop those qualities which will bring us close to each other. I would like to share one of the Walk for Values events in Canada. Edmonton Science Center participated in the city's K-Days parade in July this year in order to propagate Swami's messages of the 5 human values to the Edmonton community with a specially built Walk for Values float. The theme for the float was Garden of Values. The parade is the largest summer event. Thousands of spectators lined the sidewalks. Out of 120 floats that participated in the parade, Edmonton Science Center's float was chosen for the most creative award. Let's see the video.
You really want to pay attention to this next float here, because this one is an award winner. This one won for most creative entry, and this is Walk for Values.
For the past 10 years, the Walk for Values has been a community event in Edmonton. This year's walk happened back in June.
Oh, wow. And they spread awareness of the 5 universal human truths,
Right.
or values of truth, right conduct, peace, love, and nonviolence.
But this walk is a little different. It's not a fundraiser. It's an individual pledge by participants to practice a value of their choice. So that's kind of a cool idea.
Yeah, it looks like they're holding different signs there for the messages that they're spreading throughout the parade today. So again, that was Most Creative. That was Walk for Values, an award.
How is this walk different from other walks? Unlike other walks, this walk is not a fundraiser, but a consciousness raiser. This walk is open to all joining hands in the walk to make the world a better place. By displacing banners with quotes about values, ethics, morality, and service, accompanied by value songs, music, marching hands, and colorful floats, as you saw in the overhead projector. Festivities and multicultural program performed by different communities further enrich the event in the closing. Participants go home happily to promote values in their own lives and encourage others to do so to make the world more peaceful. How does this Walk for Values impact the community? The goal of the Walk for Values is a self-transformation. This means practicing the human values in every aspect of our day-to-day life and also making an effort to conserve and protect the environment that we live in. When we strive to practice at least one or more of the values, we inspire others to do the same, eventually making our communities and our country a place of greater harmony and happiness. All are one, all are love, all are Sai. Jai Sai Ram.